automatically produces a text-based wireframe from your creative efforts with the client. As copywriters, we can look at the text outline for a wireframe and fully grasp the possibilities of what a web designer can do with it. The problem is that our clients don't always have this ability, and the text format looks unfinished. Given what we charge clients, we should really present something more elegant, polished, and professional. Using a plugin for the Figma design tool, you can import your entire StorySheet brand script into an interactive design in less than 30 seconds. You can even do this with the free version of Figma. The template has sections for all of the brand script elements and has provisions to extend the basic StoryBrand framework if you choose. These are sections like pricing, frequently asked questions, services, and a few others. When you run the plugin, it asks for the URL to your StorySheet, then instantly pulls in all of the data. You can then rotate the designs for several of the sections, like this, to find one that you like. Then, when you're ready to share it with your client, press the Share button and send them the link. What the client sees is a mock-up of what their site could look like. Best of all, if you make changes to your StorySheet, you can import the data again and the text of your design will all be updated automatically. If Figma is not your preferred design tool, that's fine too. The Figma plugin does not take anything away from what you do. Instead, it makes it faster and easier to satisfy your client with less work. Any tool that can read a list of variables can do the same thing, but you can use Figma for free with any StorySheet at the push of a few buttons. The net result is that even without design skills, you can now deliver a quality wireframe that looks like a website rather than blocks of text. This increases your ability to wow your client with less work and in much less time, which frees you up to be more creative or serve more clients. It also makes it easier to work with designers because you have a more visual starting point.